effectiveness in the operation of the local government. Napaka-ideal, di ba? Diba? Pero ang problema natin ay lumalabag tayo. Bakas ito eh. Lumalabag tayo na sino yung nag-mention kanina ng COA? Bakit pinalampas ng COA yung tipong gano'n? Okay. We must also remember that not all COA people have wings. Hindi na lahat ng COA people ay men and women of integrity. Even the chairperson herself, she admitted that they have dismissed erring COA auditors. Okay, and this is a typical structure of local fiscal administration organization. Of course, nandun kayo. Now, ano po yung inyong mga income sources? Saan kayo pwedeng kumuha ng inyong pera, ng inyong pondo? Sir? Sir? Saan po kayo pwedeng kumuha ng pondo ninyo? May taxing power na kayo, diba? Binigyan kayo. Okay. Actually, pwede kayong kumuha sa dalawang sources, whether internal, ito yung own sources ninyo, or external, outside of your jurisdiction. Okay. So yung internal, ito yung binigay ng constitution, ng code, na taxing power niyo, taxes, fees, and charges. Pero, aside from that, you are also municipal corporations. May corporate power kayo, and you can operate public enterprises, itong economic or public enterprises. Like the most common of which is markets, slaughterhouses. Yes. And aside from your own, very own sources of revenues or income, binibigyan din kayo ng national government. Pinakasikat yung IRA. Okay, Internal Revenue Allotment. Pero meron din kayong share from national wealth. Although, huwag kayong mag-expect kung wala kayong share sa national wealth sa inyong LGU. Kasi ibig sabihin, walang national wealth na nakalocate sa LGU ninyo. Wala kayong minahan, wala kayong forest, wala kayong dam. So, yes sir. Ayan, malampayapan. Oo, tama po yun. Actually, isang issue yan. So, I think GMA used presidential decree para mo-override niya yung provision ng code na the LGU, where the wealth is located, should have a just share. Oo nga.